This is how you know that the bill is expensive. Actually, the restaurant is expensive. The bill lights up. Good morning. I'm still in bed. We're not ready. I'm not ready. I don't want to get up. Show me Brian. Brian's already dressed.
And you were the one that wanted to wake up early. Go check out all this stuff.
Technically, I'm up early at 5. Brian's gonna get coffee. That shirt looks really good on you. I like it. I feel sick. Well, I don't feel sick, but the worst timing ever. You're on vacay and, you have your lady problems. Anyways, I gotta get energy. I gotta drink coffee and then get up and get ready for the day. Because right now I'm still in bed and it's already almost 9. That's late. That's Vegas late. Okay, see you later. Did you bring coffee?
Yes.
This Nutella Bombolini is so good. Always hits the spot. I don't know if see, it's good. It's like a, what is it? Italian donut with Nutella inside. And some coffee. Thank you to the baby right there for bringing me breakfast and coffee in bed. with the view. With the view of the pool. Okay, let me finish this so we can get ready for the day. Because it's already late and we're still chilling. This is the aftermath of the 500 yesterday with my free play. Nothing! How do you have 2 hand pays with no winnings? Only Patty does it. 2 hand pays, no winnings. How does that happen?
The Hoover Dam.
We're not gonna go out, right? Because I didn't put sunscreen on.
No.
Yeah, you're gonna get burnt. I'm a passenger princess all trip. It's my driver. We're gonna go to Hoover Dam. Grand Mountain with lots of rocks.
Oh, scenic overlook on
Oh, I wonder what we can see in that scenic overlook. Yeah, let's check it out. To the Hoover Dam, and then Brian saw a scenic overlook thing, so we stopped by and see. Let's see what it looks like. But there's the mountains. We're like in between two mountains.
I've seen stuff called a mountain that's less.
See? Scenic overlook. Let's see what the scenic overlook means. Mountains, they had to pave the way.
This was probably one mountain.
Yeah. They like, and then they made the road. It was a nice stopping point. That's Lake Mead, right? Mead, yeah. Like the drink. Yeah. That's where we're going. Hoover Dam. Oh, this is a nice view here.
Instead, it was only showing.
Guys, Brian's driving really California-y fast with all these turns.
This car in front's going just as fast.
Scary.
It's an SUV. We got Bridgestones on this car.
Oh my god, what is going on? This is like a really scenic route. Sorry, I'm trying to get all the views of the boulders and the mountains because it's a really scenic route. By scenic, I mean mountains looking like mud.
Lake view.
I turn off the camera. It says, "Welcome to Hoover Dam." Hoover Dam. We're all windows down. We're here. What you got? Come on, tell me.
Guns, drugs, drones.
I like that. Guns, drugs, drones. Welcome to Hoover Dam. Let's check that out. Maybe we can see the actual dam. The dam. You can still see it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna walk back now. I'm scared of heights, so I'm gonna stick to my wall, or else my knees will crumble. For real, I can feel it already. So that's where we went, like way over there. And then I'm gonna show you where we walked. Oh, is this the border? No. I honestly thought we were gonna go up way up there. That'd be crazy. Way down there. Right? Yes. Brian made me walk those steps. Now I'm 100% sure. Once we're back in the car, we're burnt, right? We're burnt. It's toasty. You know what I was thinking about the whole time we were going up the stairs? If mom and dad were with us, they'll be complaining. Like left and right, especially mom. Mom would be cursing us. She'd be like, what? What the hell? Why'd you bring me here? I don't want to walk up the stairs. We made it, we made it. I can already feel that my skin is toasted. Very toasted. Gotta catch my breath. I need a bunch of water. I need like a gallon of water. I'm parched. I'm like, what's that name from Lord of the Rings? My precious. But with the water. Hey, oh my god, look at that. We're hot and red. Red and hot. What do I think about the Hoover Dam? Like, do I want to go back there and see it or take my friends? Sorry for the language, but fuck no, I'm not gonna do that. You can go by yourself. It's hot. And Brian told me not to wear sunscreen because we're not gonna be under the sun.
You're the one that wanted to go here. I said we could just park and take pictures and then leave, but you wanted to walk up the whole thing.
Sunscreen is always a good idea in Vegas. So I'm blaming Brian if I'm burnt. I mean, it wasn't that bad of a stairs for someone that's always like walking and going up the stairs. But if you're not someone that's used to like physical activities or walking so much in general, don't do it because maybe halfway you're gonna collapse. AKA mom. Hi mom, don't do it.
That's how they would.
That was the bridge. I'm telling you, we were not even halfway. Brian was like, oh, we're halfway. Nope. Like, we're probably right there. And that's like 25% of the bridge.
I don't know why people were still walking that way. I don't think there's anything.
No. So also at the beginning of the bridge, they said that walk or cross at your own risk because there's not like an exit.
Yeah.
So if you go all the way to the end, you have to walk all the way back. So it doesn't make sense to do it if you're just gonna actually see the dam, because you can see it like even a quarter, like even at the start.
You could just drive here. You get a good.
But I do think the bridge upstairs, like that bridge, it gets like a good bird's eye view. I don't know about this. We'll find out because we're gonna cut the bridge. We are crossing the dam technically. Right?
That's
yeah.
why I told you there's a hole right here.
We are on the Hoover Dam. Yeah, look, because it says there Arizona time and over there it's Nevada.
Yeah.
So the actual dam is the border. That's cool. You can be in two places at once. Car running. We literally parked right here, and then the dam is right there.
I mean, that's like a really good overlook up there, but
like, you see? Wait, let me turn. See? Like, it's literally, we parked here. The dam is right there. Like, you can see the water right there. And then right there, the overlook's right there. You can even walk up there for more up close view of the actual water. now joke.
It literally broke.
30 minutes. Work.
Green for us.
Is it our turn?
Green for us.
Is it our turn?
Oh my god.
Oh, are you kidding me?
One eternity later.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, it's great.
I want to eat like well before the.
Welcome to Sunset Station. I almost said Palace Station because it looks like a palace. Ooh, that came out of the tree. At Sunset. We're gonna check out the place and have lunch here, even though we don't even know what we want to eat. But we're both hungry, and we want water and juice. Juice? Oh, there's panda. You wanna eat panda? Of course, as soon as he sees panda, let's eat panda. Of course, as soon as Brian saw panda. Look, he's already eating.
I'm hungry.
Are you hungry? I was just about to take a video of it. He's already eating. We don't have this in San Antonio, so I'm excited to try it. Or maybe we do, I just haven't had panda in a while. And some much needed iced tea, cold iced tea. Panda Express. It was really satisfying. For $24, it was a good food. Ah, what? Oh. Used to be the buffet. Now it's a whole sports book area. It's how do you say that? Reminiscing about his childhood days at Sunset Casino. He was gambling since he was like 7. Been gambling for a long time. Reminiscing. There's the hotel registration. It really lives up to the name. Sunset Casino. So it looks like it's eternally sunset here, 24/7. No, literally, like if you look over there, look. It's like sunset. Look, zero bet. And we got $50. Zero bet. Turn. Look, $2 bets. ha 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 ha. We're leaving. We're leaving Sunset. Did you win?
Yes.
I want to. I have more money now to play. You want $50?
Yes.
That's
Plus the 25.
yeah. I won him $25 at the blackjack table. Bye, Sunset. To the next casino. I'm happy I doubled my money. Bye, Sunset Station. Sunset Station Casino. Thanks for giving me $200. Currently at Green Valley Ranch because we want to visit it. But look at this area. This is the bougie area. It's the Pearl, La Cantera, and Quarry. See, look at that. It's a bougie area. You know how I know it was bougie? They have Pottery Barn, Lululemon, Dry Bar, Cycle Bar, or whatever you call that exercise place. Look, they even have, look, it says Williams Sonoma. See? That's how I know. Look, they have anthropology.
Charles Schwab.
Yeah.
This is an investment place.
This is a business area. This is a bougie area. We're gonna go in, maybe spend what, an hour and a half? Because we have a dinner reservation. So we're gonna win some more money. Hopefully I double my 200 again.
Your 400.
Yes, my 400. I forgot. So now I will have 800 or maybe 1,000. So this is the elevators, right? From the parking garage. Literally, as soon as you go out, bam, casino. You don't even have to walk far. It's like right here. It just took my money. It took the money I got from
I took her money.
Sunset. And he won.
Yes, I took her money.
I better win at the Bellagio. Wait, oh yeah. Our dinner reservation's at the Bellagio. So I better win there. I need a hand pay. See you later. That's the fancy place.
Going left again.
Yes. We're back at the Bellagio. We're back at the mall. Mall because there's like people going in and out. See? It's always packed. Packed. Look at this. It's packed. It's like a mall. It's a mall. It's nice. The floors are dirty. The carpet's dirty. But it matches the carpet here. See? Look. Hey, was that the elevator? We're home. Look at this. Sunset. What? Time to eat. Are you ready for dinner?
Yes, I'm hungry. Yeah, I'll get some lobster. I'm gonna get.
What am I gonna get? The veal.
You're gonna get the veal and you're gonna get some foie gras.
Foie gras.
Because you like liver for some reason.
We're at Picasso. Baby, what's new with your sparkling water?
I got a line.
Oh, you got a lime.
Makes it good.
Does it taste good? He wanted me to try the sparkling water with lime. It's actually good. I like it. It's actually good. But I'm still a big fan of regular water than sparkling water. Sparkling water still leaves some like a weird taste in my mouth. Like the fountain is just right there. Like in the background. So nice. Look at that. That's how you know it's expensive. It lights up. Are you ready to pay the bill?
No.
How was the meal?
It was good.
It was good, right?
Yes.
Look. Isn't it amazing? Which one was your favorite? I think my favorite was the main course.
Yeah.
Definitely.
The course was good. What did I get for the second? Forgot what I ate.
Oh, the potato.
Not the potatoes.
What did you get for the first?
The
Oh, the soup. The soup. like a special sprinkle of water. Yeah, it's so pretty. Look at that. So nice. Look at the ceiling. Look at that. Looks amazing. They have wine cellar. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Yes. This escalator will take you downstairs to Picasso and Prime. We are back in the room now. We're tired as fuck. We said we were gonna play. Do we play? We're tired. Food coma. We just wanna like lay down and sleep. Lay down and sleep. That's it. Like that is an amazing restaurant. Like I will recommend it. It's not like a super fine dining restaurant, but the meals were like courses, because I don't know if do they serve like singular. I don't think so. Like meal, just meal. No, I think they really serve like courses, but it was worth it. We paid like $165 per person, and the courses itself was like very filling, and they serve you bread in between, and then there's still a bunch of extra desserts. Like it's like they don't want you to stop eating. They just keep on bringing you. Like, as soon as you take a break to breathe and relax after you ate that meal, they keep bringing you more. They're like, nope, you're not going to stop eating. You're going to keep eating until you're full so that when you get out of here.
But it's like little amounts each.
Yes, like it's little amounts, but it's very filling. Like it's very filling. It's very good. And then we got gifts. Oh wait, let me show you. Okay, we got gifts. So cute. I think they're chocolate though. What do you think?
I don't know. I opened it.
It's cute. Wait, let me take a video of it. For reservations, look at that. I think it's chocolate. Is it not chocolate?
I don't know. It's like a plaque. Maybe it's chocolate. Pull it out.
I think it's chocolate. Which one's yours? The black one. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's chocolate. We're waiting because Brian's gonna check if it's chocolate.
This is a chocolate bar.
It is, right? Yeah, it is chocolate. That's nice. It's a special parting gift. Chocolate. Brian was saying this chocolate is what we paid $165 for. Wait. I can't even recognize the picture. Like, what is it? Is it a dinosaur?
That's the point. It's up for interpretation.
A fossil. This is what we paid for. And it's not even this thick of a chocolate. It's like literally a bar. Oh, I bit into it like a tiny bit. It's good. It's good though. I'm pretty sure the chef made it. Special chef recipe for the chocolate. All right, y'all. I think we're gonna call it a night. I went downstairs. I tried playing with my 200. Went up in smokes. Of course, I went straight to the Highland area, even though I know it's gonna be gone in like a few seconds. But yeah, I think I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go get some rest. It's already after midnight. There's a full day tomorrow, so it's time to call it a day. It's been kind of like a long day of up and down, so I don't think it's like a good day of gambling for me. Brian's already sleeping. I think he's already snoring. No, I'm kidding. He just got in bed. Anyways, yeah. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good night.